guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about at-home maintenance. Yes, we're all aware that the salons are closed, we can't go out, we have no choice but to try and do everything at home by ourselves. So I'll show you a little tip and trick that I use. Even if the salons are open, I try and keep it low maintenance because I'm just picky that way. We're gonna talk about facial hair. A lot of women, especially Indian women, face that issue. I myself have that issue. I've had long sideburns. I've gotten laser treatment done, so that's why that has been sorted. But laser treatment is, it doesn't remove your hair 100%. It reduces the amount of hair. It's a lot lighter, it's a lot less, it's not as visible, but of course I can see it in the magnifying glass right here. So I'll tell you what I do, and I can give you other options as to what all you can do at home since we're still in this lockdown period. Alright, so the number one thing I prefer doing is shaving. I use this Japanese shave razor thingy. I don't even know what it's called, but this is what it is. I prefer using this, and not just me. I know a lot of people that use it. Even specialists at salons prefer using it. It's very delicate. It doesn't harm your skin. It's not gonna give you cuts and cuts on your skin. Well, if it does, if you're not careful. Also, there are a lot of rumors out there that shave करने के बाद तो बाल बड़े हो जाते हैं, मतलब काले आते हैं, and you have thicker hair. It's a lot more than it originally was. That's not true. That is not at all true. Go ahead, Google it, find out, research it. You'll find out ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Your hair is gonna come back exactly how it was, light. Or if you, whatever the consistency or the thickness of your hair was, that is exactly how it will come back. It will not be thicker. It will not grow in back like a man's beard. No, none of that. In fact, if you shave your face, if you have no hair on your face, your foundation is going to lay on your face very smoothly and even. So that's one of the benefits of it. Also, okay, I'm going to mention quickly here, please don't use this razor. This isn't what I'm talking about. I just dropped it. Don't use that razor on your face. That's not what I was talking about. Alright, so if you don't have it, or if you are not up for using a razor on your face, I will show you how to use this also. Actually, I might as well tell you. I don't need to do it right now because I did it about 2 or 3 weeks ago. It lasts you a good 2 months or so. Well, at least for me it does. Make sure your face is all washed and clean. You pat it dry. No lotion, no cream, none of that, nothing on your face, no oils. Your face has to be completely clean and dry. And what you would do is you would take a mirror, or you could just stand in your bathroom and do it, and you have to sit so close to the mirror that you could see the hair. You take the razor and you would, can you see it? You would have to shave it downwards to pull your skin, and you have to pull it downwards. And it'll pull out any hair. Well, I don't have any right now, but that is how it's done. So you have to do it very, very carefully. And no, your hair will not grow back thicker and darker. Alright, if for those who don't want to risk this, or you don't have it at the moment, you cannot try it. Alright, so the best next thing is to try face mask. I'm going to just insert a little video of how I mixed all of this. There are 3 ingredients in this. Alright, so we have some gram flour, besan. We've got some oatmeal, just regular oats right here. And I've got turmeric powder. You can add sandalwood to this. I don't have it, but you could if you have it. Oh, sorry, I should mix it all up. Mix up all the dry ingredients. And, oh, well, never mind. Take a little bit of water. We're going to make a paste out of it. I've gotten the water already. Not too thick, not too thin. that's it. And scrape it off with your brush. You can also do it with your hand, but yeah. Mix it up and you can apply it on your face. Bas. There is gram flour, besan, there is oats, and haldi. So what you could do is mix this up with water. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this onto my face, and while I do it, I'll tell you how that works. What you would do with this mask on, you would put it on your face, apply it on your face, and wait for a good 10-15 minutes. Don't wait for it to dry out completely. And you're going to, okay, let's apply it up first, and then I'll tell you how to take it off. Leave it on for a good 10 to 15 minutes, and then what you do is you wet your fingers under the tap, and then you just rub your fingers on the face in circular motions, and you have to stand under the sink. What you'll see is this face mask is going to fall off, and those little fuzzy hairs are going to come off with it. So that's what to do. Once it's all done, wash your hair, pat it dry, and I'll show you what the next step is after. Okay, so I have washed that off, pat it dry. Next thing I'm going to do is rub ice on my face. Ice helps tighten and close your pores. It helps with any pimples, acne that you have growing in. It helps with inflammation, especially after you wax and shave your face. I prefer using an aloe vera or like a cooling gel. I haven't got the ones that they use at the salon, but this is what I've got from Kaya. This is a skin protection gel. This is with aloe vera, and it works really good. So you would take a little bit of this and apply it all over your face. I'm not going to, since I've just applied ice. And I think that is it. Go ahead, give it a try at home. Once in 2 weeks with this face mask. In between you can do sheet masks or other type of masks you can go ahead and try. In the next video I'll try and do something about skin brightening, try and figure out, I'll tell you all the things that you guys could use at home for skin brightening. So that is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye. Yeah.